Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to our daily financial outlook. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The euro-dollar pair traded sideways in the last session. The Williams indicator indicates an overbought market. The pound-dollar pair corrected downwards in the last session, falling 0.1%. According to the Williams indicator, we are in an overbought market. The Aussie-dollar pair made a minor downwards correction in the last session, dropping 0.2%. The ROC is giving a negative signal, going against our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, our chief analyst's choices for today.
European shares inched up as gains in healthcare stocks helped the benchmark index extend its sharp rally thus far into the new year, while the UK's FTSE 100 hovered close to a record high. Crypto markets surged to regain the $1 trillion market capitalization mark over the weekend, amid signs of bottoming and a record number of short liquidations contributing to the uptick. Nearly $500 million in shorts were liquidated in 2 days to mark the highest such levels since October 2022. India's ShareChat, a short video sharing platform backed by Google and Temasek, said it let go of around 20% of its employees at a time when startups are facing increasing pressure from investors to cut costs.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's ZEW survey, Economic Sentiment, will be released at 10:00 hours GMT. The US Redbook Index at 13:55 GMT. Japan's Tertiary Industry Index at 04:30 GMT. The UK's claimant count change will be released at 0700 hours GMT. The US 3-month bill auction at 16:30 GMT. Japan's machinery orders at 23:50 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Tuesday's financial report. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.